Hello friends, welcome back to the funny video guys in my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today video titles guys how to on and use auto rotate screen. Friends, you don't know how to on and use auto rotate on Infinix phone and any Android phone, so how to on auto rotate today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting to on auto rotate setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type settings. So when scroll it friends, click on guys your display and brightness setting. At display brightness guys, we will on it. Friends, first you can check your adaptive brightness, means guys you want to use your auto brightness, so you can on and you can use. So friends, you can see my brightness decrease automatic and increase automatic after on it. So guys, first I will off and I will increase brightness. Second option friends, you can see your eye care setting. Friends, you want to on your eye care, so you can on your eye care. Friends, you can see eye care brightness, you can increase and decrease from here guys. Then guys, you can see guys your wallpaper, you want to change wallpaper, you can change from here. Dark theme guys you want to on, so guys you can on and you can off your dark theme from here. Screen time mode guys you want to increase, you want to change, so you can increase and guys you can change from here your screen time mode. Screen refresh rate guys you want to change, so you can change your screen refresh rate. So guys, scroll it friends, you can see your auto rotate screen. So guys, now we will on auto rotate first. After on guys, how to use it. So guys, on your YouTube app and guys any app, and guys you want to rotate your screen, so once you can rotate like that, your screen will rotate and you can look at this auto rotate screen. So like that guys, you can on your auto rotate screen and you can use it, and guys you can see screen will rotate. So like that guys, we can on guys auto rotate screen on our Infinix phone device and we can use it. So bye bye guys, we will meet on next video. Once you want to, so I do like this game will not rotate. So and once you want to off, so you can off also. After okay, screen will not rotate automatic. As you can see, when you will use YouTube, this game will not rotate automatic. So like that we can on and use auto rotate setting on our Infinix phone device. You want to on, you can use. You don't want to use, turn off from here. Bye guys.